What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another drawing tutorial. So today we're going to be drawing a killer whale animal tutorial. Let's go. Well, what mammal tutorial? I'm on a landscape orientation page. Use a pencil and pause if I go too fast. Pencil and eraser is always good, and you can always do marker afterwards, right? So pretty straightforward this. So we'll go. We'll start with the fin, right? Because it's kind of in the middle. It's not like bang in the middle. It's a little bit. The tail is longer than the head, so remember that, just for proportion wise. So the fin, right? So kind of, let's see. So we'll go curve it up, right? And these come in sort of all different shapes and sizes. So don't worry if your fin is slightly different to mine. That's the front, okay? And then it's kind of wrinkly as it comes down the back. Right, like so. Okay, and you can have like a spinal, some lines just coming across here, maybe. Okay, so then we'll extend, okay? So the tail is longer than the head. So we'll just do this big sort of curved line for the tail back this way, okay? Right? Boop, right? And the head, and the tail is lower down than the head as well. So we'll just go. Right, so it comes out like so. Tends to bump. See now. So we're lower down on this side. And then his sort of skull, or like where his brain will be, sort of pops out a little bit here. So we have a little bit of a bump here, and then long back this way. And then, so his mouth sort of sticks out here, his sort of snout, sort of nostril, sticks out there. And then this joins his mouth here. And this sort of sticks down, comes back around. And this will come down towards the fin. That's down here, okay? And then his chin comes down like so. And down to there. Right? So then the fin is here. So it'll go like a wrinkle or two, and then real big. Fin that sticks down here. You know, and if, depending on what type of killer whale you want, you could like put chunks taken out of it, you know. Maybe he's an old killer whale, maybe he's been in a lot of battles. Like so. And then the belly is going to come across here towards the tail. Going this way, right? And we're so he's biggest in here, skinnier towards the head and the tail. So this will sort of go down. Right? And these don't meet because we have a fin coming out from there, right? And it kind of flops down like so, back around, depending on what position he's swimming. This goes up or down. So in this picture, it's facing down. So like so, and this goes down to there, and then sticking out here a little bit on the other side. And sometimes we can see maybe like a spinal line just coming across Not all the time, but sometimes you can. Like that's his spine, so that's where his bones are. Like so. And then we can see another fin underneath here. And then we have markings and his eyes and stuff like that, right? Or his eye. So when I was a kid, I always thought this white thing here was the killer whale's eye, right? I actually did, but it's not. His eye is real small down here. And you can just color it black and leave like a white highlight somewhere. So like, just like a shine somewhere there. And he might have like a line just on his nose, like so. And then markings on his belly. So they're different for every whale, as far as I know. So you can do this any way you want, really. You can make up your own. You don't have to copy me. Like some down here. And then there's like another one on his back. And that's just the one that's in the picture I'm drawn from, so feel free to change the markings all you want. Okay, but in general, I think that's everything. So he could have some, like, you know, a line going down towards here. You know, maybe some lines just on his fin. But that's pretty much it. That is how to draw a killer whale. Hope it's helpful, guys. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.